Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can round corners of shapes, like for example rectangles or triangles you add to your design on Figma. It is very simple guys, so let us get started and show you how you can do this. So head over to design on Figma and let me just add a shape first, a simple rectangle just for demonstration purposes, and round its corners after that. So to do that, click into that rectangle shape here at the bottom, or use the shortcut R, or if you have another shape selected, guys, click into that arrow down icon here to access the shape tools and select your preferred shape, like a polygon or a star. We may go with a star, for example. So let me go with a star. Left click, draw it. Let me stabilize it by holding left shift. There you go. Now for better contrast, let me also apply a custom color really quickly. Fill it with a green color, just like that. Alright, so to round your shape's corners, guys, as you can see, the corners are pretty sharp. What you want to do is left click into your shape to select it. And after that, you will see that customization toolbar here at the right with the appearance section, guys. So here under appearance, click into corner radius. You may apply, for example, a custom corner radius by selecting a number. But the more, or the easier and the more intuitive way, guys, would be to left click into the left edge of that box till the cursor changes to a double-headed arrow like this. Left click and hold the left mouse. And there you go. Now move your mouse to the right to adjust the corner radius, or to round these corners. And the more I move the mouse to the right, guys, the less sharp are these corners, as you can see. Now it's almost so, yeah, it's pretty round, as you can see. These corners are pretty round, and you can do that also with a rectangle. Let me do that really quickly. Draw a rectangle, just like that. Let me just apply a color. And again, click into the corner radius box here, hold your left mouse, and after that, move your mouse to the right, just like that, to around the corners of that rectangle. Or if you'd like to return to pretty sharp corners, simply move your mouse again to the left while holding your left mouse, just like that. There you go. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.